Hanapin ko. Ito. Nahanap ko agad. Philippine News Agency, August 28, 2018. Public appearances prove PRRD in good health, sabi ni Makalintal. Okay? Ito kasi yun, mga kabatas natin. Under the Constitution, the public shall be informed of the state of the President's health only in cases of serious illness. Mga kabatas natin, serious illness ang addiction. Okay? Serious illness ang addiction.